एकदम जोन हो रहा है बॉस. This is beyond tourism. एक लॉटरी खरीदी जाए यार. Wow.
I spent 20 rupees and I think I won
The most exciting bazaar in Sri Lanka.
The Indian national anthem was first.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you for joining me on this amazing journey to Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka as never seen before. Are we ready to go? How's the food?
very nice.
And this is the famous Five Beach restaurant.
Five Beach restaurant.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very busy in the evenings.
Okay. ये पुराने cutlery है which have been used over the years. Bone china, glass. ये देखो, this is our traditional shoe polish. एकदम राज era की चीज है ये सब. वाह वाह वाह. अरे वाह. हाँ, this is Prince Philip's first car जो इन्होंने इस होटल के चेयरमैन को 12 पाउंड में बेचा था. Stayed at the Gyal. Second Sting. Kurt Waldheim, इन सबके नाम सुने हैं. पंडित नेहरू यहाँ पर रहे थे. It's really steeped in history. तो ये जगह गजब है यार. ये जो लकड़ी का फिनिश है, रिटेन किया है इन्होंने. It's unbelievable. Oh my God. Anton Chekhov. बारुल, सीगल के राइटर, वो यहाँ रह चुके हैं.
I would like to introduce our chef.
Chef.
Dear fish curry, yeah.
I just loved it. Cool. It was amazing. Very, very nice. And I love the tanginess that you brought to it.
Thank you.
So I don't know how to cook, but I love to eat. That is really unique.
Thank you. The Indian national anthem was first played here before it went live. It was done here in the ballroom.
Really?
Yes, with the Prime Minister Nehru.
तो ये तो यूनिक चीज बताई भाई. यहाँ के बॉल रूम में उसको गाया गया था पहली बार. वाह, ये अमेजिंग चीज होती है कि हम जहाँ जहाँ घूमते हैं हमको वहाँ पर कितनी कहानियां मिलती हैं वहाँ के लोगों के बारे में. हम लोग कह सकते हैं कि ये जगह हमारे देश से दूर है, लेकिन वी आर ऑल कनेक्टेड, है ना. सच अ प्लेजर यहाँ पर आके ये सब चीजें पता चल रही हैं. लव दिस गैलरी, जस्ट लुक एट द शैडो. क्या बात है. The cannonball incident. I see so many interesting people who have stayed here over the years, including Yuri Gagarin.
Yes.
Wow.
1961.
The first person who went into space. कुट्टन केरल के 19 साल की उम्र में वो केरल छोड़ के आए और यहाँ पर हैं. ये हिस्ट्री और सोसाइटी हम लोगों के साथ चलती है, सिर्फ हमारे को उसे पहचानने की देर है.
Longest serving member at any single hotel in the world.
Wherever I travel, I capture something unique about the people and the places that they live in. There could be hotels, there could be small street stalls, and I love to invite people to experience other worlds. To come in as a tourist, but leave as a friend. That's what we all intend. The world is filled with people who are waiting to be friends. For me, tourism is that you visit just because, here, what is this place? And then you meet people. And then you leave as friends. You have fond memories. So thank you for creating amazing fond memories for so many people.
Thank you so much.
Nice to have you.
Boss, this is going to be exciting. I'm very excited about this. Let's go. I heard the conch playing. शादी देखते हैं. Amazing, yeah, we get to see this. Yeah, we saw this also. If you are just ready for magic to happen, magic hota rahega.
1, 2.
My wife is a big fan of
Always.
Too bad he's not a fan.
one of the best dinner in the world.
Hey, thank you. Thank you, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं जैम के ऑफिस में, टूरिज्म के ऑफिस. जैम, I want to thank you for something. You made a couple get married just for us. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. Sri Lanka Tourism Promotion Bureau.
Ah,
Yeah.
wow.
Shalaka, how are you? Nice to meet you.
My name is Ashish Vidyan.
I know very well. How who doesn't know you?
What a joy being here. Let's Lanka! बीच में बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. We are in the business of storytelling. मामला जोन में ऑटो रिक्शा यहाँ पे टुक टुक कहते हैं भाई. Nice color. Super. चले बापू अपन.
We are going to Petta Bazaar.
The most exciting bazaar in Sri Lanka. चलो भाई.
Lanka, wonder of Asia.
Energy है boss. Pirates of the Caribbean. Amazing atmosphere. Oh. This is amazing, amazing, amazing. इस पूरे एरिया में it's filled with people of Indian descent. क्या बात है? Bombay Sweets, Prince Palace.
So this is the Petta Bazaar, sir, the most living place in Sri Lanka. People from around the country, this is the place they come to buy stuff, find stuff.
ये कुछ करोल बाग जैसी जगह है. Everything you will get.
Everything, sir. Everything. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Bhavan.
Hi, Bhavan. लोगों को मौका मिल रहा है. हमको इनवाइट किया गया है रेड मॉस्क में. Thank you so much. Wow. In 1908.
This is the renovated part.
I see.
And the old part is in that side.
Okay.
I will take you from there. We will start from the old part.
Okay.
What is the uniqueness about it?
Okay.
What makes it different? Normally in Sri Lanka, everything either green color or white color. Why is this different?
I am Mohammed. I am the administrator officer and guider of this mosque, Red Mosque.
Okay.
Now we are in Red Mosque. Everyone saying Red Mosque based on the color. But official name of the mosque, Al Masjid Al Jami Al Alfar. 3 binding Arabic words.
ये वो पुराना पार्ट है जो 1906 में उन्होंने ज़मीन खरीदी ट्रेडर्स ने, साउथ इंडियन ट्रेडर्स ने, और 1908 में मस्जिद बनी.
The ground floor of our traditional part, and you can see the contrasting colors, designs. That's all based on Indo-Saracenic architecture. Means Indian and Islamic cultural British architect. We call hybrid architect because Indian and the British mixed. That's why we call hybrid architect. This is a roller shutter from since 1908. You can see. Wow. Okay. Made by wood.
1906.
1908.
And kind of bends like that. Okay, क्या बात है.
Made by teak wood.
Teak wood. Okay.
Yeah.
Burmese teak wood.
Burmese teak wood. Swimming pool is there.
It's to do wudu.
Yeah, wudu.
Wudu.
Yeah. That's if any person enter the mosque before praying, everyone should be clean. Must be clean. If not, our prayers won't complete. Then first of all, we want to wash our hands, and then mouth, and then face, and 2 hands up to here, and then part of head, 2 ears, and then 2 legs. We have 6 stories building, 6 floors.
People can sit there and
For Friday prayers, we can accommodate here more than 10,000 worshippers, approximately 15,000 worshippers.
Wow. ईरान में मैन्युफैक्चर हुए हैं ये टाइल्स. पर ये जो स्टेन ग्लास है इसको भी डिजाइन किया गया है स्पेशली फॉर दिस. अनार की तरह ये सफेद और लाल रंग ही झलकाता है.
You can ask why they choose pomegranate fruit.
Okay, why did they choose pomegranate?
Because that fruit mentioned in the Holy Quran and one of the fruit in the paradise. That's why we choose that fruit.
Pomegranate, and therefore that color.
Yeah, that's. This is one of the beautiful mosque in Sri Lanka and top 10 in Asia.
Okay.
Because this is a landmark of Sri Lanka and this is the one and only building, not only Sri Lanka, entire world, the concept of pomegranate architecture.
Yes. Thank you so much for allowing it. Thank you for explaining it with such detail.
Have a great day for you all, sir.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Bye. अब हम जा रहे हैं पेटा मार्केट घूमने. अब एकदम बस में निकल रहे हैं हम लोग, पर जो काम करते हैं लोग, उनके साथ मिलेंगे। Yes. और चाय पियेंगे उनका प्यार से। वो जो मुस्कान जो है ना, वो अनबिलीवेबल है। अमेजिंग लगता है। Amazing moment. Okay. अरे मतलब ओके। जब हम ऐसे किसी इलाके में निकलते हैं ना, तो रियली फील कर पाते हैं कि वी आर ब्रीदिंग विद द पीपल। वाओ, एनर्जी है इस जगह में। वाओ, एक लॉटरी खरीदी जाए यार। कम
You pick a number.
Okay, I pick a number. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, I pick up this one.
Yeah.
Okay, क्या बात है। Wow.
I spent 20 rupees and I think I won 1,000 rupees.
Whoa. Every day it is released?
Every day, yeah.
Okay. Lottery भी खरीदी हमने, सही है।
So that happy
1040 रुपीज जीता, 1000 रुपीज ले रहा है और 40 रुपीज का टिकट।
Yeah.
Thank you.
So this is the real deal.
This is the real deal. That's pretty loud. Excellent! Whoa! Hard drive, man! मजा आ गया। ये 500 किलोमीटर वाली है, लगा देगा। जबरदस्त यार, मजा आ गया। And this is the peach street in Colombo. वाह! कड़क चाय। चाय कड़क है ना?
Coffee lover, chai lover हो गया अभी।
बेस्ट बात है भाई, स्वप्निल चाय की दुनिया में लौट आया है। Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. एकदम जोन हो रहा है बॉस। मीटिंग पीपल, गोइंग वॉकिंग अमिट्स द पीपल। एनर्जी वाली चीज हो रही है। उनकी हंसी, उनकी मुस्कान, जैम के साथ बात करते हुए हम जो निकल रहे हैं। Dry fish. Oh. Mobu, you joke with me, but this is an amazing feeling here.
Oh, yes.
Thank you. Wow. तमिल फिल्म गिल्ली, इतना प्यार मिला है उसको। पटाखे बज रहे हैं, मतलब मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता हूँ द फीलिंग। इट्स गजब। अल शुक्रन बंधु, अल शुक्रन जिंदगी। So welcome dear friend, welcome to an amazing trip of Sri Lanka. This is going to be a very, very interesting one. We are in Olcott, Mawata, Colombo. This place is buzzing with the energy of this amazing country. And my idea of coming here and telling the story of this people is that together we can support each other. So welcome to Sri Lanka, dear friends, and feel the pulse of what amazing people are. This is beyond tourism. Let's get connected to the society. Let's get connected to the history of this amazing country. Welcome to Sri Lanka. मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि हम लोग जब एक दूसरे के बारे में जानते हैं, वहाँ के थ्रॉबिंग ह्यूमैनिटी के बीच में आते हैं। मैं इस ट्रिप के दौरान आपको यहाँ की सोसाइटी, यहाँ की हिस्ट्री, यहाँ के लोगों से मिलवाऊंगा। ये देख रहे हैं द अमेजिंग कलर्स ऑफ श्रीलंका, इससे हम मिलेंगे। Thank you for joining me on this amazing journey to Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka as never seen before. Are we ready to go? Are we ready to go?
Yeah!
Are we ready to go? Then together we will say, Let's Lanka! One more. 1, 2, 3. Let's Lanka! Fantastic.